Okay guys, can PPL stop being toxic in DW ships? Cuz why are PPL so toxic, like send death threats? It's honestly annoying. And like there's kids playing. I don't think they should do that over a fucking ship. I have to admit it's honestly fucking lame. It's kinda stupid. Dot.